Here we are today, guys. This is Sunshine Beach. That's the suburb. It's up past Noosa and keep going. Yeah, past Bribey, past Caloundra, past Noosa, up that way, yeah. Up north. Takes a couple of hours to get here. Just under a couple of hours. There's me truck over there. These houses here, $10-15 million each. And we're destroying this one. This one's 50 years old, this house. Or was a house. Now it's just rubble. But look at the beach, the scenery. These guys have got a fucking view and a half. I'll just zoom in a bit for you. Yeah. I've seen a couple of people down there swimming, but can't see them now. It's absolutely stunning view. Yeah, so sun's coming up, overcast, beautiful day. Take care on the roads, guys.